Ever found yourself thinking about the way you eat? Or perhaps you've heard about intermittent fasting but aren't quite sure what it's all about? Today we're diving deep into the world of intermittent fasting, an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. While individual experiences may vary, science suggests that this practice could offer a multitude of health benefits. As always, before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, it's crucial to seek advice from a healthcare professional. So let's explore the potential health benefits of intermittent fasting. Firstly, let's talk about weight loss. Intermittent fasting can aid in reducing calorie intake, thus promoting weight loss. It's also suggested that fasting periods may increase fat oxidation while preserving lean body mass. In other words, a process which the body breaks down fats, triglycerides, into smaller molecules such as free fatty acids and glycerol, which can then be used as a source of energy. Secondly, intermittent fasting may boost metabolic health. It's been seen to improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels, and potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Some research even suggests that intermittent fasting can lower fasting insulin levels and improve insulin resistance. Thirdly, heart health is a significant benefit. Intermittent fasting might contribute to cardiovascular health by improving factors such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and more. Fourthly, fasting triggers a process called autophagy. This is essentially a cellular repair mechanism that involves the removal of damaged cells and cellular components. This process may have anti-aging effects and could reduce the risk of certain diseases. Fifthly, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may support brain health. This is achieved by promoting the production of a protein associated with cognitive function and mood regulation, known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It may also reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Sixthly, intermittent fasting may help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various diseases including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Seventhly, some thorough studies suggest that intermittent fasting may reduce the risk of certain cancers. However, further research is needed to establish this fact. Lastly, while research is ongoing, there's some evidence from many different studies suggesting that intermittent fasting might extend lifespan. However, more studies are needed to confirm these findings. In summary, it's crucial to approach intermittent fasting in a balanced and sustainable manner. The effectiveness of intermittent fasting can vary among individuals, and it may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. As always, before starting any fasting regimen, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is highly recommended. If you found this video informative and want to keep up with my latest content, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Be a part of our community for more exciting health and cooking videos and health tips. Subscribe now and never miss out on the fun. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed.